In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and edit your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This guide will take you through each step to ensure a smooth experience, whether you're setting up a new site or refining an existing one. First, you'll need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account just yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts on the Wix homepage. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will be your command center. It's where you can oversee all your websites and projects. Look for the site you want to work with and open it in Wix Studio. This is the creative hub where all your editing will take place. Next, let's dive into editing. Click on the Edit Site button, which will take you directly into the editor interface. On the left-hand side, there is a toolbar that serves as your main navigation for making changes to the site. Click on the Add Elements icon, represented by a plus sign. This is where you can find all the nifty features you can add to your site, from text boxes to image galleries. While you're in this section, search for the Members area or browse through the User Access category. Once found, click Add to Site. By including a members area, Wix will automatically generate a login sign-up page as well as a profile page for your members, giving your website interactive functionality. Now head over to the Pages menu. Here you'll find the members pages that were automatically created when you added the members area. Selecting these pages allows you to customize features like the login sign-up page. You can modify the layout, background, and text to ensure it aligns with your brand's aesthetics. Don't forget to customize the profile page as well. Add sections for orders, bookings, or saved items, and ensure the design complements your brand's colors and style. Once you're satisfied with the design, pay attention to additional settings like account settings to fine-tune how members can interact with their profiles. If you want to add a layer of exclusivity, you might want to hover over specific pages and click on the three-dot icon for more actions. Under Permissions, select Members Only to restrict access to certain parts of your site, specifying which groups are allowed entry. Now that everything's in place, it's time to preview your site. Click on the Preview button to see your site in action. This is a chance to test the member sign-up process using a test account, ensuring all login functionalities work without a hitch. Finally, don't forget to click Publish to make all your hard work go live. And to wrap everything